If you have this warning light on your dash every time you start your Mercedes, your key fob battery is low, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. In order to replace the battery, we need to remove the key inside the remote. There's a lock you need to slide to the side and hold to pull the key out. Then we're going to use the same key to open the compartment by pushing the key into the slot, and the battery cover will pop. Once the cover is off, you can see the battery and what type of battery you need. And this key fob, it calls for CR2025 battery type. I bought this battery in Walmart, but you can buy it anywhere you want as long as it's the right type of battery. CR2025 number. The battery goes one way. Install the battery. Let it facing up. Then reinstall the cover and make sure it closes properly. Reinstall the key into the slot. And we're done. If you find this helpful, give it a like and subscribe.